Knee pain is one of the most common problems people face today, not just older adults, but even young people. If you feel pain while walking, climbing stairs, or even sitting, your knees are trying to tell you something. The biggest mistake people make is ignoring it until it becomes severe. But the good news is you can start fixing knee pain at home with simple exercises and daily habits. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do. Let's first understand why knee pain happens. Your knee is a joint that connects your thigh bone and lower leg. It carries most of your body weight. When the muscles around your knee, especially your thighs and calves, become weak, your knee takes extra pressure. This leads to pain, stiffness, and sometimes swelling. Other common causes include sitting too much, lack of movement, poor posture, being overweight, weak leg muscles. Over time, this can make simple act muscles can reduce pressure and improve knee health. Let's start with the first and very effective exercise. Sit on a chair with your back straight. Now slowly lift one leg forward until it becomes straight. Repeat this 10 times and then switch to the other leg. This exercise strengthens your thigh muscles, which support your knees. If your thigh muscles are strong, your knees feel less pressure. Now let's move to the second exercise. Stand with your back against a wall. Slowly slide down into a sitting position. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this 5 to 8 times. This exercise helps build strength in your legs and improves knee stability. Make sure you don't go too low. Keep it comfortable. Exercise 3. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with one leg straight and the other bent. Hold for 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat 5 times and switch legs. This stretch improves flexibility and reduces tightness behind your knees. Sit with your legs extended. Reach forward your right leg back. Hold the stretch to feel the release. Exercises alone are not enough. Your daily habits matter a lot. Avoid sitting for long periods. Take breaks every 30 to 60 minutes. Maintain a healthy weight to reduce pressure on your knees. Wear comfortable shoes with proper support. And try to walk a little every day to keep your joints active. These small changes can prevent long-term knee problems. If you stay consistent with these exercises, you will start noticing improvement in your knee pain. Remember, your body needs movement and strength to stay healthy. Don't wait for pain to become severe. Start taking care of your knees today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Heal Quick for more simple health tips and quick relief exercises.